This is the Licensure Management and Application Online System tutorials for the new automated system. To add a non-core provisional license, this request type is used when adding a provisional license in a non-core academic subject area to an existing license. Pages 19 through 24 in your user manual have directions on how to apply for this type of license. Questions regarding the policy or technical difficulties should be sent to the licensure section at area code 919-807-3310. To add a non-core academic provisional license to an existing license, from the main menu, select Process General Applications, Add Non-Core Provisionally. You will need to enter the teacher's information to search for the individual. This can be done by name, license status, license number, or social security number. Select the teacher's name on the left. This will provide you with the educator's details to make sure you have chosen the correct teacher. Select the back button at the bottom right of the page to take you back to the first screen. Do not press the back button on the top left corner. This will give you an error message. Once you have identified the correct teacher, check the Select button on the right, then the Select button on the bottom right. This will bring you to a screen asking if you want to create a transaction. Select Yes to proceed. Read through the introduction page. Valuable information is located here regarding both the LEA and individual's responsibility for this license. You can move through the application by pressing the Next button at the bottom or by selecting the corresponding tab on the left. The tabs on the left are exactly the same for every application type as applies. You cannot make changes to the Name and Personal Data tab. The individual will need to submit a request to make changes to this information. Items on the application with a red asterisk are required fields. You cannot submit the application without completing these fields. Contact information can be updated if corrections need to be made. Make sure the email address is correct since this is the main way of communication between the teacher and DPI. Select the license area which you are going to add. If you are applying for this request before the teacher is in the classroom teaching that subject area, you can put a future date. Select the license area type. This is a teaching area, and then the teaching area. Press Save, and if you are adding more than one license area, you can add it at this place in the application. Since this is a non-core provisional license, there are no required documents for this application type. But if you had additional information to add, you could upload it at this place. This final tab provides you a quick glance at the information entered. You can change any of the information by selecting the Edit button or select the tab on the left. Once you have verified that the information is correct, press the Submit button. Once you press the Submit button, you cannot go back and make any changes. This should be the final step in the application process. If you do not press Submit, the application and attachments will remain on file for 30 days. You must complete the application within 30 days or you will need to upload your documents again. The teacher will need to log into the system, answer the statement of applicant, and pay the processing fee. Fees can only be paid by the teacher with a MasterCard or Visa. Debit cards with the MasterCard or Visa logo are acceptable. You can view this application as a PDF and save for your files. Press the Return to Main menu to complete the application.